अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं अब्दुल अजीम। 7H न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तकबाल है। श्री चैतन्य स्कूल मेहदीपट्टनम ब्रांच में साइंस एग्जीबिशन रखा गया। हमारे नुमाइंदे सैयद अहमद ने वहां की प्रिंसिपल से बात करते हुए तफसीलात ली है। आइए देखते हैं यह रिपोर्ट।
And bases and then physics scales. This is a universal indicator solution. It shows whether the liquid you take is acidic or basic. Good afternoon. This why can't we just watch
Namaste. We are from Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Mehdipatnam branch. We have organized science exhibition for the grades 6th to 9th and also academic exhibition for grades nursery to UKG. It is all conducted to develop all the students' mental ability, creativity, all-round development. Sri Chaitanya schools are providing opportunities to the children in all-round development. Not apart from all these activities, still we have NTSC, we have INTSO exams, competitive exams, and we have special programs for 10th class, and we even conduct orientation programs for teachers and students as well. And we have NASA. We train the children in such a way so that they can do excellent in all the things. We send group of students to US in team wise, like small and large group from every branch. We have total 68 branches in Hyderabad. So every branch will take the opportunity to create the students' mind excellent. So we take up the challenge for even the slow learners, not only the toppers. We have special programs for even toppers and also slow learners. And we give opportunity to every child irrespective of their grade, to develop in their academics as well as all-round development. And we, the team members, academic assistant AGM Mrs. Parvati ma'am and Dean Kiran sir and CBACH in charge Maryada sir, children to do their we train the children right from 6th standard that they could do anything easily in their future in +1 and +2, and all the other activities like karate, music, abacus, in everything, quiz competitions, math club, science club, English club, so that they can even improve their communication skills. And we even conduct the program like soft skills, where the children can do their personality development. They can do excellent in their personality development, and they can lose the fear, can go on in their future very well.
मुबारक रिश्ते, रिश्ता आपका, कोशिश हमारी। मुबारक रिश्ते ने हजारों रिश्तों को अंजाम दिया है। डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, NRI और म्यारी रिश्तों के लिए राब्ता करिए। मुबारक रिश्ते टोरी चौकी गहना ब्राइडल स्टोर के ऊपर। फोन 8121100900।
खबर है शहर की।
खबर है गांव की।
खबर है सारी दुनिया की।
7H न्यूज
पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए,
शेयर कीजिए
और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
7H न्यूज,
आपकी आवाज।